In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add some diced onion. Sauté for 30 seconds. Add some diced peppers and a pinch of salt. Stir and allow to simmer for 1 minute. Add some diced tomatoes and stir. Allow to cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Go in with some seasoning powder. Add some curry leaves and 1 egg. Continue to stir until well cooked. Get 5 bread slices and trim off the sides. Flatten each bread slice with a rolling pin. Add the filling. Apply water or egg wash on the sides to help seal it. Fold and seal the sides. Roll the bread in egg wash, then breadcrumbs. Put some oil in a pan and set to medium heat. Shallow fry until both sides are golden brown.